내가 말했어! 내가 말했어!
진짜 커!
잠깐만 조금만 더 들어봐야 돼.
웃으며 인사할 만큼
잘해. 야, 어떻게 된 거야? 뭐야, 어떻게 된 거야?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are trying milk with ramen. Now I've been home cooking for a while now, and normally this kind of kitchen hacks, right, when I see such a video, right, I can kind of tell whether it will work or not, or what it will taste like. Most of the time these kitchen hacks look better than what they're worth. But this one, totally replacing water with milk for my favorite Shin ramen, is something that I cannot really tell how well it will work. So to briefly summarize, you cook the noodles first, and then you take it out, and then you warm up the milk and add the seasoning in. The reason why you don't cook the noodles with the milk is that when the milk boils, right, it will shoot up and it will sort of like spill out of the pot. So you only want to warm up the milk and then add the seasoning in. Unfortunately, some of us are not very good at cooking. You're also supposed to add a cheese slice on it, but I've done that before and I kind of want to see what, individually what the milk does. While we're cooking, right, after the milk boiled up, right, there's a very significant change in fragrance. I'm not sure how to describe the fragrance. It actually smelled a little bit like things burning, but nothing was burning on the pot. Okay, so time to try. Unlike the previous video, I think this one I'm quite enthusiastic to try. Here goes. Hits and misses, why not? Number one hit is that the milk melts completely with the seasoning. It doesn't have any of that raw-ish milk smells anymore. It tastes exactly like a broth. Sometimes milk have that full cream milk taste. Yeah, this one is completely gone. Second hit is, there's this very nice pleasant sweetness to it brought by the milk, and it's a sweetness that sits very well in the bowl of noodles. It's not like tart or like sort of artificial in any way. Very, very mellow sweetness, but very pleasant. The third hit is the appearance. Other than having this nice pastel orange color to it, right, the broth, right, still has quite a bit of spiciness from the Shin ramen. Like, because you don't really see it, normally Shin ramen is like bright orange, right, so you can kind of expect how spicy it is, right, although it's not really that spicy lah. But because this is so mellow looking, right, the spiciness actually takes you by surprise, which is quite pleasant. I was worried that by using so much milk, right, the whole noodle dish will become very childish, very milky, creamy, sweet in a not pleasant way, but this still retains a lot of the savouriness and the spiciness, at the same time still balancing that creamy, the milky note that the milk adds. I'm impressed. I initially didn't have a miss, but now I think I have. Misses. It actually gets quite gelat. Gelat is, you get sick of it. I don't think I can finish this bowl of noodles with it. Like, there's this stickiness, the creaminess that coats your tongue, still really diminishes the appetite. Still not bad at all. It's definitely a very interesting technique, especially for those of you who have like a preference for milky things. This one is definitely up your alley. Will I be using this technique ahead of cooking ramen normally? Probably not, unless I'm craving for something milky, but definitely an interesting tool to have in your arsenal. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys this time. Like the video if you liked it, disliked it if you disliked it, and subscribe if you want to see more food content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.